Hello everyone, David Swig with Haggerty Marketplace. Let's go for a quick ride in the 1991 300 SL Mercedes. I will say this car feels like it drives nice and tight. Suspension, steering, all feels quite good. Stylish car for not a whole lot of money these days. Quite nicely. You can feel that Mercedes-Benz legendary build quality. Very solid feeling car. All right, thanks for riding along with us at Haggerty Marketplace, and good luck bidding.